To believe in Allah, my brothers, is not like anything else. To be a Muslim is not like anything else. We live in a world where seeing is believing, and that is the exact opposite of being a Muslim. Everyone wants to see, and even Muslims, when we talk amongst each other, even when our hearts are in the right place, brother, wouldn't it be mad? Wouldn't it be amazing? Wouldn't it be good if we could just see? I mean, I believe, but if I could just see, and this is a big thing, that if Allah was to just show me, to show you what is it that you want to see? And it's almost as though we're trying to convince ourselves that if Allah was to just show me, that I would be much more, I would do much more, or that things would be much different to us. Allah wants your iman, Allah wants your belief without Him having to show you. Because if Allah was to show us, my brothers and sisters, then everything changes. Everything changes. To believe in Allah, He says, "Man tu'mina billahi." Can you see Allah, my brothers? We can't. And tu'mina billahi wa rasulihi. Can you see His prophets? We can't see His prophets. Can you see His angels? We can't see His angels. Can you see the day of judgment? We can't see the day of judgment. 4 of the 6 pillars of Iman are unseen. You can't see them. And Allah has designed it as such. Allah wants you and I to believe in Him without seeing Him, because that's faith. Because if you were to see, then you don't have an option. And when you don't have an option, you're not special anymore. What makes you unique as Muslims is that we believe in Allah, we believe in His Prophet, we believe in the message without seeing. This is Iman. And it's important that, my brothers, you understand that as a Muslim, we believe in the unseen. And your whole faith is based on the unseen, and we take pride in this. I don't need to see Allah to believe in Him. I don't need to see the Prophet of Allah to believe in. I don't need to see His angels in order to believe. And if you think that by seeing this would be good, you have no idea, my brothers and sisters. Believing after you see is of no weight. Your Iman then will weigh nothing in the sight of Allah. Allah wants your Iman now. So this, brother, let me just see. Brother, what do you want to see exactly? Tell me what it is that you want to see. What a time we live in, wallah, it's incredible.